Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.
Hey guys, it's me Nyla, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be packing for college. I'm looking at the ground right now because my ground is a mess. Like, I have stuff everywhere, on the floor, on my bed. Like, guys, it is a mess. I'm going to be like going through my clothes and like picking what I'm bringing with me and what I'm not. If you didn't know, I'm going to the illustrious Florida State University. It's August 10th and I'm moving on the 23rd, so that is 2 weeks from now. It's also like 6 a.m. so I don't know why I'm doing this right now. I bought a few new clothes that I actually want to show you guys. So let's just get started. Okay guys, and now is the haul portion. So some of these I took videos in the dressing room when I tried them on, but yeah. So here's the first shirt. It's a Chasing Dreams shirt and it's kind of cut out really low on the side. Then I also got this cropped like yellow shirt from JCPenney. This one is a crop shirt as well that says I speak French fries, which is a little too close to home. Then I also got this gray shirt that says Peachy, and the reason I got it is because it kind of looks like the Blackpink logo, so I immediately had to pick that up. Then I got this black shirt that says Come Together, and most of these shirts were on sale with Arizona in JCPenney, which is why I picked up so many of them. Please excuse my antics. Yeah. Okay, next I got this shirt for more formal wear. I really love how it looks, and it has like a little hole in the back, which is kind of cute and simple. Then I got this shirt that says Stuck on You, and it's kind of a mint color, and it has like a little cut v-neck. I don't know how to explain it. And this is another one of my favorites. It is a long sleeved kind of shirt that's pink with white stripes, and I really love the zipper that it has because it's like a ring zipper. And then here are some other shirts that I tried on but I didn't buy. And lastly, I had to get some shoes, so I got these little booties and these little booties because it does get cold in Tallahassee. Yeah. Okay, so I went on Amazon and I found this box of velvet hangers that cost $23 for about 50 of them, and I probably didn't need 50, but it's fine. Okay, so that is the end of this video, and I find that I'm really bad at making outros these days, but I'm gonna get back on my grind. Anyways, enjoy this little clip of me, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I fit! Oh my god, I didn't think I would.